I called a doctor, for I fear that you might be dead. Yeah. I just lay down beside you, and I held your hand. I fell in love with you. Now you're my one and only. 'Cause all my life I've been so blue, but in that moment you fulfilled me. Now I tell all of my friends I fell in love with a dead boy. And I tell my family I wish you could have met